Hi, this is an example, a demonstration of how to get your hands to work together in places where one hand is playing legato and the other hand has a repeated note. What happens sometimes is the hand that has the repeated note has to lift up in order to put that note back down. The other hand that's playing legato should not lift up, but because your hands like to move the same way, they like to mirror each other, it will pop up along with it and you'll end up with a little break in your legato, which I call a hiccup. So let me give you a demonstration. I'm going to switch cameras so you can see my hands of how to work on those hiccups. All right, so we're using morning as the example here. So this phrase sounds like that's what we're going for. That right hand is legato all the way through, even though left hand has 3 of these C chords that repeat. So the first spot where that is a bit of a problem is between measures 10 and 11, where you're repeating the C chord. So what I want you to do as you're approaching this, lift left hand up, you got all the time in the world, and then put them down together, right? So take as much time as you need to coordinate that motion. Lift left hand up, put them down together. That's what we're working on. And do as much of a pause as you need to make that work, right? Left hand lifts up while you're holding that E, and then both hands play together on the next beat. You have the same kind of situation at measure 15, but left hand isn't actually repeating a note because you have rests before that, so that should be a little bit easier. Right? You just may need to pause a little bit on this D, think about it, and then make sure both hands go down at the same time without right hand popping up like that. You don't want that. You want